Yo, what is up, guys? You're watching the Civic TV, and today I got some horrible news. The horrible news is I ruined my car. Bam. Uh huh. Uh huh. Yep. 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 What's this? No hood? Yep. Why is that? Why is there a different bumper? Why is the trunk gray? Why does the hood have a huge gaping hole? If you actually come over here, we end up getting a dump pipe. We end up getting a dump pipe for here finally after like 4 months of having the car turboed. We end up finally getting one of those because what was happening was, if you could see, well, this whole thing was getting completely dark. So pretty much this is what happened. Yep. What is this, did you say? This right here is because, one, there was a lot of dents in the car. Nobody could really see it. Two, I ended up getting a dump pipe. And I was like, you know what? I got 1 hour to spare. And it just came in the mail. So let's go ahead and put it on, cut the hood, and just go back to work with that 1 hour that I had during lunch. So that's what happened. I decided to cut the hole out, and that's where I stand. So that's been like that for about a week and a half. Alright guys, so after about a week and a half, I finally did something. I went out, got up early actually. I got up early, I went out, went to Lowe's, went to Napa, and we got some paint. And that's right, we finished the Honda. So pretty much what happened was, again, somebody hit my back bumper, cracked it, and we got a new one. Cleaned that one up, scuffed it up, painted it, ended up painting the little covers underneath the headlight or the taillights down there, and we ended up painting the trunk. And there it is. Came out pretty decent. Not too bad. Looks pretty good. Still got a little gap here. I gotta figure out why that is, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I got a little bit of overspray. I don't know how that ended up happening. It was in the trunk when I was spraying, and that just happened. But she's good. She finally looks somewhat good. So I'm happy that it's all one color. It's all red. The only thing I have to do next is do my top and do my hood, and that's gonna be a lot of work. I'm either gonna buy a new one or leave this one on. This one, the reason why it's all splotty and everything, there's a lot, well, not a lot of Bondo, but like there's a little Bondo underneath here, over here, there. Those right there got deleted. Yeah, other than that, it looks good. I don't know, I think I want to paint. No, I won't paint the lip. I'll leave the lip like that until I get a new bumper. But it looks good. Looks good. Happy how it came out. I ended up getting Harbor Freight, a Harbor Freight sprayer right here. Did the job exactly how I wanted. And now she's all one color. Alright, so I'm gonna give that a wrap. That's just a little update on the Honda and what's been going on with it. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos. I've just been really busy trying to focus a little bit more on myself and what I want to do for the future of the channel and the future of just the Cigarilla. But again, you guys can follow my Instagram. I'm always posting stuff on my Instagram, always staying updated on there. It's just I don't have too much time to actually do my YouTube videos as much as I wanted to. But hopefully we can get back into the groove. So thanks everybody for watching the Cigarilla TV. Out here chilling with the homies. Four Corners Mafia. You guys better watch out, because we're coming for you. All of you. We got the Honda. We got the Hyundai. We got the damn SRT8. We got the damn Rally Art. All you motherfuckers is going down.